The Dust Off Ranch 500 trailer model is done, guys. Ready to rock and roll. So let's check her out. Now, this is going on my man Daniel with Dust Off Ranch here in Cookeville, Tennessee. The ranch for veterans and first responders. So y'all go check that out. We appreciate and support all our veterans, first responders. Love helping y'all out. So this is a slick rig we got set up here. We'll start off with the trailer. Guys, y'all know the deal. We build all of our trailers in-house and we design them around your setup. Let me tell you something. We build them right too, okay? This thing, powder coated finish, full double frame rail all the way back. The very stout trailer, got a lot of storage room on it. You're not gonna complain about having too much storage space, all right? So up front here, we've got our propane tank set in there. That's for our double burner. We'll check that out in a minute. A little storage in front of the smoker. And then we'll get to the 500-gallon offset, guys. Counterweights, that is standard on the 500. Makes the doors very easy to open. On the bottom here, we got 3 racks. Now the bottom racks are removable. That way you can clean up underneath your pit. Top racks, both slide out, right? More standard features. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. TMG pits, tell truth thermometers in the door there. Fold down stack. And we got our stainless steel fender toppers. That's a great option there. Set your pans down on there without scratching that powder coat. Check out the firebox here. We got the stainless steel logo on the side. Can't forget that, Dust Off Ranch. Fully insulated firebox, guys. Every tank smoker we build gets one. We've got a 3/8 thick pipe on the inside here. Front of it's insulated. The door is insulated as well, so holds heat great. Close that sucker back up. Going down the passenger side here, we've got one of our stainless prep tops. So this folds up. You got a lot of storage underneath. Throw your wood right here. Keep it somewhat dry, all right? Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it. You're ready to go. A little more open storage in front here behind the smoker. And then we've got our double burner with the griddle top setups. Guys, we got 2 10-inch burners underneath here, regulated out front. Set your pot or pan up there, or fold down your 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top. Wear out some smash burgers on that bad boy. Like I said, we got your propane tanks up front. This is one sharp rig staying in the great state of Tennessee. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.